On July 11, 1962, President John F. Kennedy, a Harvard graduate, received an honorary Doctor of Law degree from Yale.
As President Kennedy and Dean Acheson receive honorary degrees, the President, a Harvard graduate, is made an honorary Doctor of Laws before delivering the commencement address. He takes the occasion to call on business and labor to cooperate with the government in furthering the nation's economic growth. However, he begins on a lighter note.
It might be said now that I have the best of both worlds, a Harvard education and a Yale degree. I am particularly glad to become a Yale man because as I think about my troubles, I find that a lot of them have come from other Yale men. It is true and of high importance that the prosperity of this country depends on the assurance that all major elements within it will live up to their responsibilities. If business were to neglect its obligations to the public, if labor will be blind to all public responsibility, above all, if government were to abandon its obvious and statutory duty of watchful concern for our economic health, if any of these things should happen, then confidence might well be weakened and the danger of stagnation would increase. This is the true issue of confidence. If there is any current trend towards meeting present problems with old cliches, this is the moment to stop it before it lands us all in the bog of sterile acrimony.